right there. Yep.
That's what happens in May. We get those thunderstorms that slid through. Yesterday, the reports that came in basically just hail.
Yeah, and that's what we expected. You know, when we talked about how in the northern portion of central Indiana yesterday, some small hail and some wind could cause some severe thunderstorm warnings. We had a few of them, but nothing widespread, so that was certainly good news. And that warm front that helped to trigger some of those storms continues to work its way to the north very, very slowly. So we are still dealing with some isolated downpours. This morning, no severe weather. That's the good news. But just now to the northeast of Marion, look at that heavier downpour in between Interstate 69 and Indiana 109. And then just north of Upland, Indiana, we have that heavy downpour as well. And it's continuing to slide off towards the northeast. Then as we work our way into portions of Miami County from Peru up towards the Denver area, some very, very light rain showers. And that's just about it as far as the rain goes as of right now. You notice from Indianapolis to the south, skies are starting to clear out a little bit. So that is good news as this rain continues to head in that northerly direction. So this warm front will head to the north throughout the day today. As it goes in that northerly direction, it takes the storms with it. So I think from Indianapolis to the south, completely dry throughout the day today. That's certainly good news with skies that'll become partly sunny here across the area. We'll get into some hazy sunshine throughout the day today. And with the southerly wind, we will see our temperatures really start to warm. Now, there is a little bit of patchy dense fog out there. It's really kind of settling into the Brown County area here from Nashville up into portions of Martinsville as you work your way into Morgan County. So be a little bit aware of the patchy fog out there. Again, in isolated locations, that also is not a widespread problem for us. 64, that's the current temperature right now in Indianapolis. Everybody right now is in the 60s, so it's a mild start for us. And throughout the day today, we will see our temperatures climb all the way into the 80s later on this afternoon. That's just going to start a string of 80-degree temperatures for us. So Ashley, this evening certainly will not need the jacket.
Yeah, definitely pretty mild for us this evening, as you'll see temperatures in the 70s going down to 67 by midnight tonight. So no jacket needed and no umbrella really needed tonight either. Now, overnight, these temperatures hold pretty steady. I think our overnight low is at 60 degrees. That's where we start you out at tomorrow morning. So the lowest temperature you'll experience tomorrow morning is 60 degrees. And from there, we'll begin warming up. This is your morning commute tomorrow, pretty mild with temperatures in the upper 60s by 9 a.m. As we go throughout the day tomorrow, I think you'll notice some cloud cover. Now, early models are really trying to throw in a few showers to tomorrow's forecast. I think it's a slight chance here. Not too much to worry about. I think most of this will not touch the ground. I think it will actually show up as just some clouds on the satellite image. As we go throughout the day tomorrow, the forecasting model, this one is actually keeping us dry, bringing our temperatures into the 80s. By 6 p.m. tomorrow, temperatures begin to fall off, but once again, holding fairly steady, only falling down into the 60s for most of us. We'll warm things up Thursday. Thursday, a warmer day. Thursday, I'm going to look out for a record that's in the upper 80s because we'll be in the mid 80s for Indianapolis, 83 for Columbus, 84 for you in Bloomington. So a nice warming trend in this forecast. Your Thursday high temperature, I think Thursday is going to be my pick of the week. Mostly sunny, 84, fantastic weather. As we get into the weekend, the Grand Prix, 82, and on Sunday for Mother's Day, 82. There is a chance of storms in the forecast on Saturday and Sunday. It will not be an all-day rain, and at this point, we're not looking for severe weather, but we will see some storms that will slide in here. 7-day planning forecast shows this warming trend continues for us, so you'll be feeling the heat by afternoon with a high of 81 this morning, mild with those storms sitting to the north. Let's check in with Lauren Casey now.